Ready to stop spending big on backgrounds and still make your animations look amazing? Let's jump into Adobe Animate and explore how to use free image backgrounds effectively. First, open Adobe Animate. You'll see your familiar interface. Next, we'll need a free background image, and the web is your friend here. Size, such as Unsplash or Pexels, offer high quality, royalty-free photos. Browse these websites and search for an appropriate background. Consider what best suits your animation's theme. After deciding on an image, download it to your computer. Make note of where you've saved it. You'll need it in a moment. It's time to get the image into your animation in Adobe Animate. Go to File on the top navigation bar, then select Import, and choose Import to Stage. A File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to your downloaded image and select it. Click Open to upload the image. The background image should now appear on your stage. Use the Selection tool or the Transform tools to scale, rotate, and position the image until it fits your animation's needs. Adjust the dimensions to cover the entire canvas. That is all it takes to use a new background in your animation. And there you have it, a fantastic background without breaking the bank. With a little planning, you can easily find great free options and start your animation today.